これは強敵だな。さあ、行くぞ。
Start off with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of water, and then in a separate bowl for reasons, add in 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, along with a big old heaping tablespoon of honey. Alrighty, now it's time to go over to the flame. Reduce your sugar and water down. Do your best to avoid mixing with a spoon because it'll form crystals apparently. And then shove in your sauce. Alrighty, now reduce it all down to a nice sticky mess. And then when you're ready, you can add in your pork slices. We are using pork shoulders. Less fat content and tastes great. But whatever you use, just make sure it's nice and thin. Give everybody a good old flippity flip and get everybody nice and soaked. And just cook them on through. Once they're looking almost done, grab a plate, pop them on, and then grab your other slices of pork and pop them in too. And again, just cook and flip until nice and dunske. Add in your last little bits of pork when they're all looking just that tiny bit pink. And then just wait till they're completely cooked through. Looking good. Now I think it's time to plate up. So grab them out one by one and then start chopping them up. For easy eating, ladies and gentlemen. Do your best to leave all that sauce in the pan so you can actually get it into the bowl later. And then choppity chop like days. Now once everybody's nice and bite-sized, we can pop them off to the side, grab a big old bowl of rice. Now let's shingle on these pork bittos. Of course you could just haphazardly put these boys on, but that's not cute. So shingle them on. And the reasons I don't understand, we need specifically canned green peas.
やるじゃないか。
いただきます。
So in terms of tips, we didn't actually show this, but you should put your pork into either sake, cola, milk, or any sort of other alcohol-related beverage to just like soften it all out and then cook it in the sauce. This just ensures that your pork doesn't get too tough. But other than that, you should be fine. So get out there and make them sticky porkies. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like what we do here, we do this practically every day. So like, subscribe, maybe leave us a comment down below telling us what you want to see next. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
また